So we got this wheel here, and it might seem hopeless because you can see the fact that in the spot that is so far to the non-drive side, the spokes that should be able to pull it to the other side are already super tight, and the spokes that would need to be loosened to true it are already loosey-goosey. So, should we throw it away or should we womp it? I'm gonna show you how to womp it. Put a tube and tire on the wheel and pump it up. Mark with a pen on the rim where it needs to be womped. If the rim is coming too far to this side, then that's the side we're gonna womp it. So I'm gonna make a little X right there. You're just gonna hit that X on the ground as hard as you can. And it's just gonna hit the tire, so it's not gonna dent the rim. So, here goes. And we're gonna give it a little spin. All right. I'm gonna put it back on the truing stand and see. There's the X. It's no longer touching the truing stand. You can see it's still loosey-goosey here. Maybe I should womp it some more. I'm gonna do some more. Ooh, I think it's getting better. I'm gonna give it a little true. Yeah, that's the best I can do, or care to do. I'm not sure how well you can see it in the video, but it's still, you know, shitty. But it's rideable at this point versus not rideable. So here for the before and after sake is the post-womped wheel. Still is a significant hop, but it's rideable. So yeah, I'm Nick. This is the Bike Church, and this is the first in a series called And They Don't Teach You That at UBI. So thanks for tuning in. So before you actually womp a wheel, you need to decide if that is the appropriate thing to do. First of all, you need to know why your wheel is out of true. Sometimes it could be because the spokes have started to burst through the rim, so check around each spoke nipple for cracks. Also check the rim for any cracks, especially on the seam of the rim. If you're missing a spoke, replace the spoke first. Do not do this if you haven't tried truing and replacing any missing spokes. Don't do this if it's a carbon fiber rim. Also know that if you womp your wheel, it may go back to its previous shape after a bit of riding. So use this method as a last-ditch effort, not as the first thing you try. And good luck!